So we've been called for rats around the bin area. It's a typical scenario. You've got about 20 flats here and only 6 bins, and it's obviously not enough. The rats are just everywhere. The rubbish gets knocked on the floor. You can see the rats are chewing through the bins and getting into the bins. And we see this sort of scenario all the time. The people that manage this site need to provide more bins, or they need to have 2 tips a week instead of 1, because clearly there's not enough bins for the rubbish and you're going to start getting rats. And this is what happens. Over here, look, we've got shrubland. We're next to a wooded area. And then we've got burrows all the way along, directly over to the bin area. So what we're going to do initially, because we don't know how safe an area this is to bait, ideally I'd love to bait them burrows, but I know there's children around here, so I've got to play it a bit careful. So we're going to put them in boxes, and first of all we're going to feed them. There you go. And then once they start eating from our boxes, then we're going to start introducing the rodenticide, and that way you'll get a quicker knockdown and there's less risk to the environment and less risk to humans. But as you can see, the tenants need to do a bit, the landlords need to do a bit. It's not any one person's fault. People need to recycle more, people need to be more careful when they're putting rubbish in the bins, and the tenants, the landlords, need to come down here and check this regularly to see if they're providing the correct service. Clearly they're not here. This is why we've been called in. That keeps us in business. Cheers.